Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I would like to entertain you with most interesting two questions. So first question is asking, prove that a to the power of t is equal a transpose a uh, all to the power of transpose equal to a transpose a. So we have to prove this one is equal to this one. So first let me write it down. So a transpose a all to the power of transpose equal to this one. I have to show with this equal to this one. So in order to do that, I have to first let's expand this transpose. So first a to the a transpose to the power of transpose and a transpose. So according to the properties of transpose, whatever the transpose power to the transpose is, its value, because it's like switching around. Like first when you transpose, it will switch around, and then you transpose again, it will come back to the normal form. So it's so a transpose to the transpose is a, and a times a to the transpose, since a times a to the transpose, which is equal to a times a to the transpose is equal to identity, like a times a to the transpose, both are give a times a to the power of transpose and a to the power of transpose times a, both are going to give same answers. You can try it if you want. So therefore we can say that this is equal to a times a transpose times a. Therefore we found that this is equal to this. That's our question. This is equal to this. So let's go to the next question. So they have provided the a value right here. A value right here, a is what? A is equal to 1 3 2 3. They have provided the a value, so they're asking for the x. So to find the x, we have to do what? A plus I mean identity. So 2 times, this is 2 times 2 matrices, and identity times x is equal to a. So since this is true, we had to put a here in the bracket. Let's expand it and find the I. So a is 1 3 2 3, and I'm going to add it with the identity. Identity is going to be the whatever the, if it's 2 times 2, I have to use a Gauss Jordan, similar to Gauss Jordan. So 1 0 0 1. So if it's 2 by 2, I use this one. If it's 3 by 3, it's going to be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So it's going to be like that. So this is our identity, and each time x is going to be equal to a. A mean I can put the a value right here, or I can just simply keep it as a for now. So adding is easy, just add it directly. 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3, so 2 3, and 2 plus 0 is 2, and 3 plus 1 is 4, and time x is equal to a. Since this one is true, let's consider this value as, I'm just taking as b, because this is a new value, and I'm going to take it as b. So in order to cancel and find the x value, I have to find the b inverse, because if it's b, then if I put, let's see, b times b inverse x is equal to a times b inverse. So there, this 2 will be cancelled, so I can find the x value easily. So in order to do that, first I have to find the uh, what do you call b inverse. To find the b inverse, there's a formula for that. To find any inverse, I mean for 2, if it's 2 by 2, there's a formula for that. AD minus BC, 1 over AD minus BC. 1 over AD minus BC, AD is going to be 2 times 4, it's 8, and BC is going to be 2 times 3, it's 6. So 8 minus 6 is going to be what? 8 minus 6 is going to be 2. So 1 over 2. B transpose is 2. So B transpose means, so I have to multiply every value by 1 over 2 to get this answer. So 1 over AD minus BC times 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. So 1 over 2 times 2, 3, 2, 4, which is going to give me 1, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is going to be my VB inverse. So to do that now, what do we call? Okay, B times V inverse. This time this side is cancelled, and X is going to be equal to A times A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3 times 1, 3 by 2, 1, 2. So if we directly multiply each other, it's going to be the answer. So 1 times, so to multiply, this is 2 by 2, 2 by 2, row column. So first row by first column, first row by first column, 1 times 1 is going to be 1, 3 times 1 is going to be 3, so 1 plus 3 is going to be 4. First row second column, 1 times 3 by 2 is 3 by 2, 3 times 3 by 2 is going to be 9 over 2, 9 over 2, and then the second row first columns, 2 by 2 times 2 is going to be 4, 2 times 1 is going to be 2. So second row first column, okay, 2 times 1 is going to be 2, 2 times 1 is going to be 2, 2 plus 2, 4, and second row second column, 2 times 3 by 2 is going to be 3, 3 times 2 is going to be 6, 3 is 9. So our X value is going to be 4, 4, 9 by 2, 9. I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you next time.